So I built this shuffling device to bring the coal here from the side where the wagon is loading it, to move this coal to the center, and then it will be more easily transported to this transporting van. You can see now how it works. So it's pushing the coal then into the center. It is a 360-degree servo, which is linked electronically directly here to this transportation van. Okay. So then now I finished this coal shed for anthracite coal and the tower. And let's first test the lights. Let's turn on here the lights. We have inside light and outside at various positions. They illuminate the whole area at night. We have conveyor belts, 2 of them. One, which is the long one, it goes from the middle point here up to the center inside, and the coal is then transported to a container inside and is leaving via a special port at the side of this building. The track will go underneath, and the wagons can stay underneath, and they can be filled with a remote control, opening a valve in this side building. And I turn on this belt, this conveyor belt. We have a second conveyor belt, which goes from this coal bunker in the bottom, which is filled from the side with coal coming from a wagon. This conveyor belt is triggered and speed controlled even with this remote control, slowly or fast. The reason is I adjust the speed. If it's too much coal here, it will maybe come back, and with a speed control I can really deliver the right amount at the right time. What I also installed, this was another idea I had, I used this servo, which is a 360-degree servo, and this turns the wheel, and with these belts you push the coal which is coming from the side to the center and then going down here to the belt. With this trick you have always a free side here and moving the coal to the center where it's transported upward. We now go, I show you now how this wagon is emptied. There's another servo here. This gear, if I push this button, it goes down and pushes and opens then and moves this this arm and pushes it down. Now with moving this 360-degree servo, all the coal is delivered to the center, and then it's going upward. You can really see, if I move it slowly, how this coal is pushed with the wheel here to the center. There's some coal left. I can push it the second time, and the rest goes in. Once again, the wheel is turned, and these plastic strips here, they are formatted in a way that they form something like a curl, and then it moves from the back also to the front, not only from the side to the center, but also from the back to the front. As you can see, already all coal is transported upward into the tower. And now see what's happened if we go to the site. So let us look first inside here, how it looks. The coal is transported. You can see there's a slide from the top here down, and all the coal is perfectly arranged at the bottom. And now I show you how it looks if you open the side port with a remote control. I push the first of all I give a alarm to show you now something is happening underneath. People are alarmed. And now we see, if I move, you see how they drop. Okay, it's full, and there we could change to the next wagon. So, the whole project is finished. It took 3 months from a basic building from POLA, which I hooked here on this wooden construction. The wood here is coming from wine boxes, and these are toys from various companies which had been converted to these belts, transportation. These parts here, they are metal. Even the rivets inside, you can see it from the side. I got them from a Kolb locomotive. And so a lot of servos installed, various purposes, lights inside, outside, remote control, electronic is in the upper part, a 12-volt accu with a high capacity, down regulated to 5 volt for the main system. And for the LEDs, I installed resistors in front to cut the voltage down to 3 volt, which they stand only 3 volt. So I go around this building to show you also how it looks like. I aged, of course, as usual, all the surfaces with airbrush and brush. So this was, by the way, the most complicated project, because all the parts were had to be built by myself, more or less. But it's finished and I'm happy with it. I hope you like them too. Thank you for your attention.